Edits is here.
It's finally here. Instagram has just dropped a brand new video editing app.
Our new app for those of you who are passionate about making videos on your phone.
And almost no one has used it yet. So a great opportunity for you to get ahead of the curve. This is the brand new video editing app by Instagram, Edits. Edits is designed for creators of all levels. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking for a lightweight mobile editing app. Instagram is positioning this as a game changer for mobile editing. That's your short form videos primarily. But what makes it so special? Let's take a look.
What I'm really excited about is some of the things that aren't actually in the Instagram app. There's a new cutout AI model from our research team that allow you to extract a video or a piece of a video from a longer video, which is pretty wild to see. There's some new movie generation AI tools coming later this year.
Let's explore this app, but stick around because I've already spotted one big thing that makes this app a must use. If you've been meaning to level up your video editing skills, well, now is the time. I'll be walking through some of the key features and what this new app is all about. Plus, if you're interested in mastering this and producing some great output quickly, I've got something special for you, so stay tuned. Here's your quick walkthrough of what you'll find inside the new Instagram Edits app. We'll go through tab by tab. When you open the app, each tab is located at the bottom of the screen. We're going to start with the first one in the bottom left. It's called Ideas. Here you can gather inspiration, stay organized, and capture thoughts and ideas on the go. At the top, you've got 3 sections. Stickies, these are colorful post-it notes for jotting down your ideas. Saved, this pulls anything you've saved from Instagram. And collections, think of these as folders to keep your ideas organized by theme or project. To add a sticky note, hit the plus icon in the bottom right, type your idea, change the color in the top right corner if you want, and then press add. To delete a sticky, tap and hold to bring up the delete option, or tap into it and use the bin icon. The next tab icon at the bottom is inspiration. These are reels and videos for you to watch. When the audio used is trending, this is highlighted. If you find one that you like and want to use, just tap use audio to start a video using your phone's camera or gallery. If you want to save a video for later, hit the save icon and it'll go straight into your save section in the ideas tab. You can even add a sticky to capture ideas while watching, and those also go to your ideas tab instantly. Tap the 3 dots at the top to view the video directly on Instagram. And if you'd rather see videos from creators you follow, you can change the feed by tapping inspiration at the top. The third tab along is projects. Hit the black plus button to start a new project and import clips from your phone. Once you've done that, the editing screen will open and give you a chance to name your project. As soon as you create a new project, it opens the editing screen, which is packed with features. I'll cover that in another section in a minute, but it will probably need a separate deep dive video. Long press on any project to rename, duplicate, or delete it. There's also a filter icon at the top to sort your projects by last edited, date created, or alphabetical order. The fourth icon is your camera. You've got all the tools you know from Reels. Lined up on the left, you've got music, green screen, timer, and enhance. There's also flash and flip your camera and the record button front and center. But here's what's new: a zoom dial around the capture that works for both your front and back facing camera, and advanced camera settings where you can tweak your resolution, your frame rate, and your color for your footage. The Insights tab. Here you can change your view from 7 days to 60 days, and a little further down you can filter data from the past year. It breaks down performance across all your content, and you can tap into and take a look at individual videos. Tap on a specific video to see details like views, engagement, and retention graphs. This will be great for you working out what is and isn't working. Okay, and now an overview of editing in Edits. Now, when you land on the editing screen, there's a lot to cover. I'll break that down in another video. But here is a quick overview of what's new inside Edits. You've got 63 sound effects. You've got 11 video effects, 48 filters, 50 fonts, 35 text animations, 18 text styles, voice effects, cutouts with object tracking, which means it cuts out an item in a video even if the camera is moving, and full color adjustments for your video. That's your first look and walkthrough of Edits, Instagram's newest app for creators. There'll be more videos coming with hints and tips on this app, so make sure you're subscribed. Right now, almost no one knows how to use this app, which means early adopters will have the biggest advantage. If you've ever wanted to be ahead of the trend, now is your opportunity. Right now is the moment to invest in learning this app. I've been helping creators level up their video for years, and this app is a huge opportunity for you. So I've created a complete step-by-step course that will get you up to speed fast. Simply Create's online course will take you from complete beginner to confident editor in no time. I'll be walking you through the app step by step, and we'll be making content as we go. Right now, you can lock in the course's pre-sale price, but this is for a limited time only. So head to the description to sign up now. What was it that I spotted? Well, it's the reason I think anybody that wants to grow on Instagram using video will need to use this app. I spotted this. Reels made with Edits are optimized for high quality playback on Instagram. If Instagram follows the same pattern as other platforms, then I'm gonna make a very educated guess that they are gonna prioritize videos created with Edits. That probably means a boost in reach. So if you create content, you do not wanna miss out on this window of opportunity. If you have any questions about this app, then please leave them in the comments. And of course, we can all help each other. Hope you liked this video and found it helpful. I'm Ray, this is Simply Create. Thank you for watching. Until the next one, peace.